Hello all, welcome to Leetcode Daily Challenge. Today's problem is check if all ones are at least length k places away. So in this problem, we are given a binary array nums and an integer k. We need to return true if all ones are at least k places away from each other, otherwise return false. So here, this is one example that we have three ones. The difference between these two indices is 3. Difference between these two is 2. And these two is 6. So one thing that comes to our mind is that if I compare the adjacent ones, that is my minimum distance that I can come across. And if I compare the two ones that are not adjacent, then again they will be greater than the distance from what we have the adjacent. So it is optimal that we only look for the adjacent ones. Okay, and we look for adjacent ones. We maintain somehow the previous index of the previous one, and we are currently at ith index. We'll do the comparison and see if the difference is greater than or equal to k or not. So for that, what we'll do is we'll simply take a variable p, that is the previous. Initially it is set to -1. I'll simply start iteration my array, and I'll stop wherever I find 1. So this is a very fair occurrence of 1. I stopped here. I will check that whether my p is equal to -1 or not. If it is -1, do nothing, move forward. If it is not, that is in the upcoming cases. So if it is -1, we don't have to do anything, just continue. And also update p to the current I, wherever you find the 1. Next, continue going forward until I find my another one. Here, what I'll do is again I'll check if my p is -1 or not. If it is not, then I have a previously occurred one which is just adjacent to the current one that we have. So there what I'll do is I'll do the difference of these two, -1. Why -1? Because this is zero based indexing and we need to find the difference between these two. If I include this I minus 0, it will be the total distance that will be coming 4. That is the difference from this index to this, but not actually how many are in the middle. So for the middle, I need to subtract 1. So this is coming out to be 3, which is greater than equal to k. So this is fine. I'll move forward and update my p to 4. Then I'll move forward and at index 7, I find 1 again. I'll see previous value, it is 4. Current is 7. Difference is 7 minus 4 minus 1, that is 2. That is 2. And it is greater than equal to k. So we are good. Again, we'll update the p and move forward. And since now we are end of this array, we didn't find anywhere this problem that it is less than k. So we are good. If anywhere it is coming less than k, we'll simply return false and end exit the function. So similarly, we have done it here. Maintained the previous equal to -1, started the iteration, looked for the value 1. If we find it, good. Otherwise, we'll do nothing. If we have found it, simply see that previous not equal to 1, previous value should not be 1. That means there has to be one previously occurred 1. We'll check the distance between those two. If it is less than k, we'll return false. Otherwise, we'll continue. And updation of the previous will continue whenever we find the 1. So that the next one we know which is the just previous index. That's it. And if we are out of this loop, we'll simply return true. So that was all for this question. If you find this video useful, do hit the like button, comment for more such videos. Thank you.